Taking a cold shower every day can be a transformative experience, both physically and mentally. At first, the shock of the cold water can be jarring. Your body instinctively tenses up, and your breath might catch as the chill envelops you. However, with each passing day, this initial shock begins to evolve into something more manageable, even invigorating. The body starts to adapt, and over time, you may find yourself looking forward to that rush of cold. Physiologically, the changes that occur can be quite remarkable. Exposure to cold water stimulates circulation. As the cold hits your skin, your body responds by sending blood to vital organs to maintain core temperature. This increased circulation can enhance cardiovascular health, potentially lowering blood pressure and improving overall heart function. Regular cold showers may also promote better recovery after exercise. The cold helps reduce inflammation and muscle soreness, allowing for quicker recovery times and improved athletic performance. Metabolism can also see a boost. Cold exposure prompts the body to burn more calories in an effort to maintain warmth. This thermogenic effect can lead to increased fat burning, particularly brown fat, which is the type of fat that generates heat by burning calories. As a result, some individuals may notice slight weight loss or improved body composition over time. Beyond the physical changes, the mental benefits of daily cold showers can be profound. The practice cultivates resilience and mental toughness. Each morning, as you step into the cold, you confront discomfort head-on. This act of willingly facing something challenging can set a positive tone for the day, fostering a mindset that embraces challenges rather than shies away from them. Over time, this can translate into greater confidence and a more proactive approach to life's hurdles. Moreover, cold showers can significantly enhance mood and energy levels. The cold water triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. Many people report feeling more alert and energized after a cold shower, as the invigorating sensation can shake off feelings of fatigue or lethargy. This boost in energy can be especially beneficial for those who struggle with morning grogginess, as the cold water acts as a natural wake-up call. Another interesting aspect of daily cold showers is their potential impact on the skin and hair. Cold water can help tighten pores, reducing the appearance of blemishes and promoting a healthier complexion. It can also enhance hair health by closing the hair cuticles, resulting in shinier, smoother hair. While these changes may not be as dramatic as the physiological adaptations, they contribute to an overall sense of well-being and self-care. However, it's important to approach cold showers with caution. Individuals with certain health conditions, such as cardiovascular issues, should consult a healthcare professional before making cold showers a daily habit. It's also wise to listen to your body. If the cold becomes unbearable or causes distress, it may be beneficial to adjust the temperature gradually. Ultimately, committing to a daily cold shower routine can lead to a multitude of changes, both seen and unseen. The journey begins with a simple act of stepping into the cold, but it unfolds into a broader experience that can enhance physical health, bolster mental resilience, and promote a sense of vitality. As the body adapts and the mind strengthens, the cold shower transforms from an intimidating challenge into a refreshing ritual, a daily reminder of the power of perseverance and the invigorating embrace of nature's chill.